How to talk to anyone, unlocking the secrets to building genuine connections. Have you ever found yourself in a social situation where striking up a conversation with someone seems daunting? Perhaps you felt anxious about saying the wrong thing or worried about being judged. You're not alone. Many of us struggle with initiating conversations and building connections. But fear not! In this video, we will explore techniques recommended by lifestyle channels that can help you become a master communicator and effortlessly engage with anyone. Active listening, the art of truly hearing. One of the most crucial skills in effective communication is active listening. It's not just about hearing the words, it's about showing genuine interest in what the other person is saying. Active listening involves maintaining eye contact, nodding in agreement, and asking thoughtful follow-up questions. For example, imagine you meet someone at a party who mentions their passion for travel. Instead of simply replying with a generic response, like "that's cool," you could ask, "What's been your favorite destination so far, and why?" By actively listening and asking relevant questions, you demonstrate that you value their perspective and encourage further conversation. Find common ground. Building bridges, finding common interests or shared experiences can be a powerful way to connect with others. Look for topics you both enjoy or have knowledge about. For instance, if you're at a networking event, you can discuss recent industry trends or ask for their opinion on a relevant topic. Sharing personal experiences or anecdotes can also help create a sense of camaraderie. For instance, if you're at a coffee shop and notice someone reading your favorite book, you could strike up a conversation by saying, "I couldn't help but notice you're reading, book title. I absolutely love that book. What do you think of it so far?" By finding common ground, you establish a foundation for a meaningful conversation. Show empathy, the power of understanding. Empathy plays a vital role in building connections with others. Try to put yourself in their shoes and understand their perspective. This technique can be particularly useful in resolving conflicts or addressing sensitive topics. For example, if someone expresses a differing opinion on a subject, instead of dismissing it outright, you could say, "I understand where you're coming from, and I see how that perspective could be valid. Here's how I see it." By acknowledging their viewpoint, even if you don't fully agree, you create an environment of respect and open dialogue. Use nonverbal communication, the unspoken language. Nonverbal cues, such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice, can significantly impact how others perceive you. Maintaining an open posture, making eye contact, and smiling warmly can signal approachability and friendliness. Additionally, mirroring the other person's body language subtly can create a sense of connection and rapport. Remember, actions speak louder than words, and by paying attention to nonverbal communication, you can enhance your interactions and make others feel more comfortable in your presence. Mastering the art of talking to anyone takes practice and patience. By incorporating active listening, finding common ground, showing empathy, and leveraging nonverbal communication, you can foster genuine connections with those around you. Remember, everyone has their own unique story to tell, and by embracing these techniques, you'll be well on your way to becoming a skilled communicator who can effortlessly engage with anyone. So go ahead, step out of your comfort zone, and start connecting with the world around you, one conversation at a time. Please like and subscribe to get more tips and to support our channel.